Welcome to Graphics One Digital Academy. Today we will cover how to set up ColorMate RIP for printing film to be used on screen printing applications. Thank you for tuning in. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to view more Go Digital Academy videos, or visit Graphics One website to find more video quick links. ColorMate RIP has different applications. This video will cover the SP version for screen printing. ColorMate RIP is a non-dongle software, compatible with Mac platforms. If you are a Mac user, forget about the need for third-party products to run your machine with our Mac-based RIP. To install a new printer, go to the File menu, select Printer Port and then Add New. A new window will appear. Look for the vendor or manufacturer and select the printer model from the list. Once is selected, click Next. For the connection is important have the printer driver installed previously in your system. In this case we will select Windows Printer. Click on Inquire, and select the printer from the connected printers list. Click Next and then Finish to confirm, and your printer will be installed and ready for printing preference setup. Thank you for staying with us. Please stay tuned for more Graphics One Digital Academy videos. For additional information, please visit us at www.graphicsone.com. Send us an email to sales@graphicsone.com or call us to 1-818-260-9591. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Graphics One videos.